Hello students, I am Pushpanjali from CBIS English classes. Today I am going to discuss new pattern, objective questions of English grammar. For class 9th and 10th English grammar, I am going to tell you the syllabus. Topics in syllabus for 2020-21 question patterns for English grammar. Now see, English grammar section, the marks weightage will be 10 marks. Earlier it was of 12 marks, but now it is only of 10 marks, and types of questions will be MCQs. Attempt any 10 questions out of given 12 questions. What is mean? For class 9th and 10th I am telling, earlier it was editing, omission, jumble word, gap filling, like that. But now this time CBSE has introduced a new pattern for English grammar also. So today I am here with some sample questions. Now what are the portion you have to study in class 9th and 10th? Those are tenses, modals, subject verb concord, reported speech, commands and requests, statements, questions and determiners. Okay. These are the section from which the CBSE is going to ask you the question this time for 2020-21. For class 9th and 10th both I am telling. Okay. Now here I'll tell you some sample questions. I have brought some sample questions for the year 2020-21. CBSE here has changed your syllabus. Okay. Now here this type of questions will be asked for the session 2020-21. See the samples I have here. Give the correct answer from the alternative givens. The number of questions will be 12. Okay. And you have to attempt only 10 questions. And that will be of MCQs, like you can see here. When the headmaster entered the class, a student dashed on the blackboard. So 4 options are given here. Was writing, is writing, wrote, writes. So the correct answer will be was writing. Okay. Now question number 2. Manoj dashed TV when his brother came. So what will be here? The correct option was watching, watch, watched, is watching. So the correct option is was watching. Manoj was watching TV. He saw me by chance and dashed the bus. So the options are was stopping, stops, stopped, stop. So the correct answer is stopped. He saw me by chance and stopped the bus. Now, next question. Ram and not I dash busy. This question is from subject verb concord. Okay. We have seen now what CBSE is, and that question was from tense. Ram and not I dash busy. Am, is, are, were. 4 options are given. You have to select. And the correct option is am. My shop dash at 7 o'clock every day. Opened, opens, is opened, has opened. So, what will be the correct answer? Is opened. My shop is opened at 7 o'clock every day. He made me dash. Run, running, to run, ran. The correct answer is run. He made me run. I am looking forward to dash you. See, seeing, saw, seen. The correct option is seeing, because we know as the forward always take the gerund, that is V4. Okay, verb plus ing form. So it is seeing. I am looking forward to seeing you. I dash know what my duty is. Should, would, can, used to. This question is from determiners. Okay. So the correct option is should. Work hard lest you dash fail. This is also from determiner. Okay. Work hard lest you fail. Should, may, would, will. So correct answer is should. Work hard lest you fail. Pranoy is Bengali but he lives in Odisha. He has been here dash for 4 years, since 3 years, 3 years ago. So the correct answer is for 3 years. I dashed out last night. I was too tired. Don't go, didn't went, haven't gone. So it is in last night is in past tense, so it will be here past indefinite. Then what will be the correct answer? Didn't go. Dash I go out, sir. What will be the correct answer? Can, will, may, should. So the correct answer is may. May I go out, sir? So it is also from, you can say from the determiners. Okay, now you can see here may is used for asking permission. By next July, I dash in this office for 10 years. Will work, worked, will be worked, will have been working. So this question is from tense. Okay, and the correct answer is will have been working. I don't like milk, so I dash tea with breakfast. Generally have, am generally having, was generally having, have generally had. So the correct answer is generally have. We asked the guest what places they dash the next day. So would be visiting, are visiting, will visit, has visited. So the correct answer is would be visiting. So keep in your mind, dear children, these questions are from tense. If you went away, now we dash you. Missed, will miss, would have missed. So the correct answer is would miss because it is conditional sentence here. Okay. Now thank you children for watching my video. If you like it, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the further notifications.